Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll show you how to use the ab wheel. What's an ab wheel? An ab wheel is a small wheel with a metal rod through the center that serves as a handle when you roll forward and backward. Benefits of ab wheel: it strengthens the core, tones the abs, arms, shoulders, and chest, increases stamina, improves balance, and lastly, burns calories. I've been using the ab wheel for at least a year now. It has helped me with my weight loss and toning. Four easy steps on how to use the ab wheel. Step 1. Kneel and hold handle. You can use a pillow or mat for your knees and gloves for your hands. Make sure your feet are pointing to the floor, not flat on the floor. Step 2. Slowly roll forward. Step 3. Return to starting position. Step 4. Repeat. Remember to avoid arching your back and use your abs, not hips, to pull yourself back. If you can't make a full rollout, start easy and gradually roll as far as you can.